From photovoltaic arrays to flower-shaped wind turbines, the Boao Forum's Venue Island is at the forefront of low-carbon development. This offers just a glimpse of China's role in addressing climate change. At the Boao Forum for Asia 2025, decision makers and experts have come together to explore solutions for tackling this global challenge. As the world keeps a close watch on climate action, let's hear what wisdom can we draw from their thinking.
New quality productive forces are the ones that not only deliver economic growth, but that deliver sustainable growth through time. And it is very important that China is playing a role in making economic growth sustainable. This is very important that a large nation like China is committed to those goals that are crucial for the planet.
China's quite remarkable. I think the fact that it set its twin targets of carbon zero by 2060 and has set in place an extraordinary sort of process of industrialization to bring about that goal. That's something that we all learn about, and we admire China for doing that.
If we don't act quickly and if we don't act together, we might actually damage beyond repair this very beautiful planet that we've been given. And China does play an extremely important role in being a guardian of this planet and being a champion for this planet and for the transition. Honestly, I just believe we have to work together. We have to work more quickly.